Hey guys, today we will be doing a Compex training on our quads. Let's get started. After that basic Compex training video, I think some of you guys are still a little bit confused on how you can train with Compex. So today we will be using the resistance program again, and I will be showing you how you can do a few sets of squats with it, and of course doing some isometric contraction with it. Haven't watched the previous video, you can check it out back previously, a few posts back. Yep. Just a brief idea, isometric contraction will be easier to use, and if this is the first time you are training with Compex, highly recommend you to try the isometric contraction. And if you are more advanced, we will be you can do the eccentric contraction. For training itself, normally I will prefer to use this longer pads. This sticks on better and gives you a better hold. If not, the square pads sometimes if it's a little bit not sticky, it may fall off during training. That's where you might want to get the Compex knee straps to strap on the device itself. But if not, you can use this longer pads. It holds on better. Once you set up the Compex device, like what we shown just now, can turn on the Compex and go to resistance program. Switch on the module. So they'll ask you to switch on the module. Once connected, we will start with the warm-up first. Increase the intensity to see visible muscle twitching, like so. There's two ways that you can do the isometric contraction. For isometric contraction, you either do it in a half squat position or you can do it seated. Today we are going to show you a half squat position, and let's get to it. So right now in half squat, just press and hold and let the device just increase. Currently at 90. So it's a 7 seconds on and a 7 seconds off. For the recovery, you can go up higher. No worries about it. So just hold it there and don't let your legs straighten. Not sure if you can see this. Half squat. After every set, we will want to try to increase the intensity by a little bit. This is currently the 4th round. I will take it as a warm-up. Currently at 110. And for the demo itself, I will just show you for one last round. We'll try to ramp it up a little bit more. Fight it, fight it. Fight it, fight it, fight it. It's around 170 right now. That will be for the isometric contraction itself. It's really pretty intense. If you tune it up a bit, don't be afraid to increase the intensity if you are healthy and strong. You are an active person. Don't be afraid to increase the intensity. Just let it go up. I believe you can fight it, and if anything happens, don't panic. Just press the sender button and the workout will stop. So right now we'll go for the resistance program on the eccentric training. I will show you how it's done. Same thing, half squat position, and we'll try to do 2 squats. and it will be rest time again. And begin. So squat, 1 rep, press and hold, down, 2 reps, and rest. Currently we are about 146. Alright, third round, down. It's pretty tough right now, 146. Alright. One more round. We'll try to increase the intensity by a little bit this round. 170, 180, and we are currently at 200. You gotta fight it hard, man. Fight it. 2, 1, and let's go. 230, control. That is all for the Compex training itself. You should be trying to complete around, I would say, 15 to 20 rounds if you are just starting. And for the first 5 rounds, take it as a warm-up. After that, complete 15 to 20 rounds of it. You should be able to get some muscle soreness the very next day. Start with isometric contraction first. Once you feel comfortable with it, you can go over to eccentric contraction. Most importantly, don't be afraid to tune up the Compex device. Right now we are at about 200 ish for the intensity. The maximum that the device can go is 999. Of course, we are not trying to ask you to max out and go to 999, but we do have our instructor itself who does on their bicep at 999. So it's all very safe and good. That's all for today's video. We might touch on another body part next. Let us know in the comments or slide us a DM if you have any question on training or with Compex itself. And stay safe, and we'll see you again very soon. Thank you.